Hello folks and professionals, let's welcome back another question of the day. Question number 37. Select right S4 HANA options. How to control number ranges for business partner configuration in SAP. It's not ECC, frankly saying it is S4 HANA. It's a print mistake. I can able to read the options. A, account group. B, partner determination. C, business partner type. D, business category. E, multi-address functionality. F, business partner grouping, and G, fill. Okay, so let's try to find one or more options might be correct. You can able to choose this, and it is specifically pointing out number ranges. Don't think any other. So if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Currently, I'm holding 776 videos. It will helpful for your certification preparation as well as. Please subscribe my channel. This is my dedicated forum. Currently, I'm holding 5,846 students, and in this sales and distribution 112 hours. I specifically recommend these two courses before getting into the real-time, getting master to write functional specification and real-time idoc training. And if you have doubts, you can able to try these two courses. This is one of my top course in pricing, and this is for S4 HANA pricing. So all these are the different courses available. I'm just providing these links below of this video. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. I wish you all the best. Have a great day.